Do you want perfect posture? My martial arts students always ask me, how did I get great posture? They ask if it is possible to go from this to this. The routine I'm about to show you is the fastest way to relax your muscles, strengthen your spine, and stretch your tendons to leave you with the perfect posture. Just follow along with me to get started. Lift your neck all the way back. 1, 2, 3. You will feel the tension in your neck. This is normal. 5. Left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right to left. 1, 2, 3. If you are going all the way, you will feel tension in your right trap muscle. Both palms in this position. Stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right side. 1, 2, 3. If you are rotating back enough, you will feel the tension in your shoulders. Now hold your fist and bring your arms back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time, both palms behind your back and stretch back. 1, 2, 3. You will feel the tension in your neck and lower back. This is normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your fist in this position and stretch out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands in this position and stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax yourself. Do this 2 times a day for 3 weeks and let me know how you get on. If you click on the notification bell, you will be the first to receive my new natural method videos.